how to delete Google account permanently from mobile phone. So the very first step is that we will be needing your Gmail app. So if you don't have your Gmail app yet, please download on your App Store or your Google Play Store. Once you have done downloading or installing your Gmail app, you may now open it and sign in with your account. Click then on your profile found on the upper right corner of the screen and click on Manage your Google account. And then go to Data and Privacy right here and scroll down until you can see the option which says Delete your account. So again, click on Delete your Google account instead of Delete a Google service. So click on Delete your Google account, wait for it to load, and once it is done downloading or loading, you may be able to see the summary of your account. So you have here the summary of your emails, your photos, your YouTube, your calendar, and etc. Click on yes and yes as well right here, and simply click on delete found on the lower right corner of the screen. So you just simply follow the steps needed, and then that's it. That's how you can delete Google account permanently from mobile phone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.